Hello YouTube, hello, thanks for watching EasyB Tactical. Today we're going to do an unboxing and a quick review of the Walther PPK 22 caliber. If you like today's content, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more videos around firearms, tactical gear and training. So stay tuned, let's get started. So this is a Walther PPK 22 caliber in black. This also comes in silver. So I've shot this one before, but however, let's see. British Walther 22. Comes with one magazine. Black. The manual. Lucky. Some brochure. This one I had a couple of accessories that we're gonna talk about in a second, but it also comes with a wrench to remove the barrel, which is a threaded barrel in which in this case I've installed an adapter to mount a suppressor. So the Walther PPK barrel, the cap on the thread, which is just like this. And this wrench is to remove the barrel. It's got additional sights because you can install high sights in order to use suppressor high sights. So very modular, ready to be suppressed really. Those sights here, which comes with the gun, will raise the height, the front sight a little higher so that you can clear your suppressor. Threaded barrel. It has a 3.3-inch barrel, threaded for suppression, as I mentioned. Comes with one magazine. It's a 22 caliber. The trigger is quite nice. So it's not supposed to dry fire 22s, but 6.1 pound trigger, according to the manual. 6 pound trigger, not too bad. The Walther PPK overall is a 4.9 inch high, almost 5 inch high, 6 inch long, 6.1 inch length. It's got a manual safety here. It's not ambidextrous. Safe fire. Magazine release one side. Takes 10 rounds on the magazine. A plastic grip. Feels very good. It's a similar 1-to-1 scale from the original Walther PPK in 380, which we'll have another video on next time. What else? Just a very good, very accurate. I was very surprised. Although I did have a little bit of issues shooting certain 10 and 22 rounds, I'll have another video where I review more of the ammunition that works better with the gun. But one of the issues I had was some of them will not cycle, and I had a couple of round actually casing stuck into the barrel, and I did scratch this one a little bit when I tried to remove it. But again, I shoot everything I own, so it's not a big deal. It's about 19 ounce. It's not very heavy, very light, very discreet, you know, James Bond style. Very portable, definitely very compact. And you know, I've shot it with CCI. I've shot it with these Aguila. I've also been testing it with the 22 subsonic round for suppression. The sights are decent. They're on true Walther PPK. They could be a bit hard to see. They're all black. Perhaps I may put a touch of color there, but very traditional, very simple, completely black sight. If you can see that. Yeah, Walther PPK 22 caliber. There's a version in stainless steel, which I think may look a little bit nicer. But this one is the black version. They're hard to kind of come by, but at this one I was able to get it. Price wise, I believe it's $360, $350 on that price, or $400, that price range. The trigger is not too bad. Of course, a single action, double action. It's a little heavy at first, but in double action it's much smoother. Very nice. I think I like it because of the whole style. James Bond, right? This is James Bond gun, the Walther PPK, although he carries a 380. In most of his guns are 380. But this one is, it has the same look and style of the traditional 380, and it feels the same. Single action, double action trigger. It's got black checkering on the grips. It has also, the safety also acts as a decocker, so when you press down, it decocks the hammer. Very nice to shoot, especially now with the shortage of ammunition. I think shooting 22 may be a good way to have fun without breaking the bank. And this one is a nice best of both worlds, 22 shooting and then the classic look and feel. Feels good, shoots good. Definitely nice to have. Affordable, somewhat. Under 400, 300, 350. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, remember to subscribe. Thanks for checking out the channel. And hopefully you have a great day. Talk to you soon.
Now, what you need to do, now move it back to 7.